Overdose deaths took Kentucky by storm in 2020, an increase of nearly 50% from the previous year.
WDRB's Dalton Godby breaks down the data and explains what experts say is causing the jump. Dalton.
Guys, this map right here shows you the hot spots of overdoses in the state of Kentucky. A total of 1,964 deaths in our state in 2020. Now here locally in Jefferson County, 514 of those overdose deaths in 2020.
Just to see more and more chaos and calamity just makes us realize we need to do more, and there's a lot that we're not doing right.
Pat Fogarty lost people he knew to overdoses in 2020. He works for addiction recovery care and is well aware of the state's drug problem. It's highlighted in the numbers released this week.
It's scary, and we're all very alarmed.
The state's overdose death numbers jumped almost 50% from 2019. Several counties in our region with dozens of deaths, but Jefferson County at the epicenter with 512.
Louisville is the key component of this overdose crisis in Kentucky, unfortunately.
Fogarty and other experts say Kentucky's drug problem is now driven by the supply of drugs in the state. Addiction itself not increasing, rather the amount of drugs.
So the demand drives the supply, and Kentucky has an insatiable thirst for drugs and has for a long time.
Addiction Recovery Care has facilities across the state trying to help curb these statistics and intervene early on in the battle against drugs. Other facilities, like the Healing Place in Louisville, aim to do the same.
If you removed facilities and treatment groups like Addiction Recovery Care and the Healing Place in Kentucky, you would have to build a lot more penitentiaries and a lot more cemeteries.
The pandemic resulted in fewer addicts seeking treatment, pushed some into isolation, and in turn attributed to this increase. Fogarty and treatment facilities are hopeful their work changes things, but there is a lot to be done.
Is it really going to go down in 2021? I don't see that happening. I think it could very well increase from that 50% of 2020.
Dalton Godby, WDRB News.